my Xpulse 200T walk around. This is a fully rally ready bike for now. I have just not installed the rally kit, as in the suspension thing, but everything else, this is almost rally ready, and I intend to tour with it. So I have not used the suspension because it is too high for me for touring. But for if you really want to participate in a motocross event or a rally kit is must item. Now I intend to do some adventure trail, some trail riding, some serious mud. So this is a bike prepared for that. Only thing that I have not done till now is install a proper light system. I have been trying, but apart from that, I'll just tell you what I have done. The first modification that I have done, have installed a proper rally handle, which is quite high from the stock one, quite high. You can see that, and wide. So when I'm taking potholes at high speeds, I can just stand up and still be in total control of my bike. And I've added proper rally knuckle bars, knuckle guards. Some of you might argue but that the sitting posture becomes a bit different, you sit a bit too upright, but then I have been riding a Himalayan for quite some time, or maybe the Bullet, so I'm used to sitting upright. For me this is a very practical modification. Most of the rally guys use the same handle for the same reason, because when they're traveling at high speeds and take potholes, they just stand up and the bike is still in control. So the handle setup and the knuckle guards. Then I have used the quick throttle. This basically reduces my throttling circumference or whatever, I don't know, it's the throttle play to about 1/3. So I just have about a 1/3 throttle play. It is important when I'm taking those corners and just shooting out, just take a corner and go all out. So it's easier to get your top RPM working very fast. That is one of the modifications. These are my auxiliary light switches, waterproof and backlit. I mean, they look beautiful. They look beautiful in the night. It's all white LED backlit. It's more of a cosmetic thing. Then there is a travel charger. This is perhaps a very practical choice I made, because I really cannot put a phone holder here. The way I ride, the phone will go flying whichever holder I put here, short of RAM mounts. RAM mounts are a bit too expensive to install in this bike right now, but I intend to, not right now. So there is no phone mount, just a charger. I need to charge my phone when the bike is stationary, and I can't really, even when needed I'll install a phone holder, but right now I have not. Now then I have changed the spark plug to Iridium, NGK Iridium. The cable remains the same. Installed a power filter, and I have installed a power exhaust. This is a custom made exhaust, not custom made really, this is a specifically made exhaust for this bike. This is from MW Performance. Adds about 2 bhp, roughly 2 bhp, and makes a nice noise really. Nice for a dirt bike sort of a thing, and it comes complete actually. There's a bent pipe and then there is the exhaust. So this is one of the modifications. I have installed some nice lights here. Sorry, not nice lights. I've mounted them on the specially made clamps for these lights. These I've made myself, but these lights are not very good. I mean, this is the only thing that is lacking in this bike right now. Something very powerful but small. So ideally, see, this is what the Xpulse is all about. I installed them and I have been riding for like a week, and this is what happens. So mostly my Xpulse 200 Adventure Rally, I just need to put on some knobby tires for the main events. Till then I'm using these tires. And what else? Okay, I have taken down the rear section. It looked like a Hero Honda Splendor. I was not liking it, so I just took it down and made a tail tidy sort of a thing. Till a better option is available, this is what I have. If there is a better option tomorrow, definitely I'll put it in this bike. And I put some stickers on it just to make it more interesting. So this is my Xpulse 200 Rally Edition, ready for trail riding, short tours. Not very fast, but trust me, it is fun. Hope you all like this.